It's Ron Brown with Tech for Seniors. Just a quick Chromebook tip for you. My buddy phones me and wants to know if I can go cycling. I look down at my Chromebook and I see, not only do I see the time, but I see the date. How did I get the date? You only have the time. That's a cool feature. Let me show you how to enable the date feature on your Chromebook. You're going to come up to your Chrome browser, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in Chrome://flags. And watch what happens when we do that. Here it is in the Chrome browser, and this is going to bring up a different menu. This is going to bring up the experimental menu. I want you to come down and see at the bottom here, you'll see it says Enable Date in Tray, and I've enabled that. So all you have to do is come up here and search in Flags and start typing, Show Date in Tray, and you'll quickly come up with this, and all you have to do is then enable it. And then you'll have the date in addition to the time. Hey, cool trick, and I've got to get going on my bike ride. So anyway, if you like this video, please click the like, and if you want to subscribe to more like this, please do so. Talk to you soon. Bye now.